Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS5 to a Nintendo Switch. However, it's important to understand that directly connecting a PlayStation 5 to a Nintendo Switch for gameplay or data transfer is not possible. These are two distinct gaming consoles, each with its own unique operating system and hardware. There isn't an official cable or software solution designed to link them directly, so shared gaming or data exchange between them simply isn't supported. While direct connection isn't an option, you can certainly use the same display for both systems. Simply connect your PlayStation 5 to one HDMI port and your Nintendo Switch to another. Most modern televisions offer at least two, often three or four, HDMI inputs. You can then easily switch between playing on your PS5 and your Switch by selecting the appropriate input on your TV remote. For PlayStation 5 users, Remote Play offers a fantastic way to enjoy your games on other screens. You can stream your PS5 games to a personal computer, a Mac, or even a compatible mobile device. This requires a stable internet connection, ideally around 50 megabits per second for optimal performance. Remember, this feature is for playing your PS5 games remotely, not for connecting to a Nintendo Switch. Ultimately, both the PlayStation 5 and the Nintendo Switch offer incredible, distinct gaming experiences. The PS5 delivers stunning graphics and powerful performance for immersive adventures, while the Switch provides unparalleled portability and innovative gameplay. Embrace the unique strengths of each system, enjoying their vast and diverse game libraries independently for countless hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.